Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to log out on Viber. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Viber and click on three dots right corner and or more and click on settings, general and click on account Viber backup and click on backup now. Alright, and click on back, and back to home screen and open settings and click on scroll down and click on general and iPhone storage. Scroll down and press Viber and click on upload app or delete app and installing app and authorize a new number. Alright, that's all.